Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share some inspiring modern patio pergola design ideas that can elevate your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat or a stylish, entertaining area, these pergola concepts blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. From minimalist structures to integrated outdoor kitchens, there's a design to suit every taste and style. If you enjoy our content and want to see more, please remember to subscribe and like this video. It really helps us continue creating great content for you. Let's dive into these fantastic pergola ideas. Here are detailed descriptions of modern patio pergola design ideas. Number 1. Minimalist pergola. A minimalist pergola features a sleek and simple structure characterized by clean lines and a flat roof. This design often utilizes materials like aluminum or steel, which lend a contemporary feel to any outdoor space. The understated elegance of a minimalist pergola creates an open environment that seamlessly integrates with the surroundings. Adding LED lighting can enhance the ambience in the evening, while a retractable canopy offers versatility by providing shade on sunny days. Number 2. Lattice pergola. A lattice pergola is an excellent choice for those who love the interplay of light and shadow. With a roof composed of crisscross slats, this design allows dappled sunlight to filter through, creating a beautiful natural effect. It's perfect for supporting climbing plants such as vines or flowering climbers, which can add greenery and a touch of nature to the structure. This pergola not only provides shade, but also enhances privacy, making it a charming addition to any garden or patio. Number 3. Cantilevered pergola. The cantilevered pergola is a striking architectural feature that extends out from a wall or structure without traditional support poles, giving it a modern and airy appearance. This design creates a spacious feel, allowing for unobstructed views and an inviting atmosphere beneath. Ideal for outdoor lounging, a cantilevered pergola can be paired with comfortable furniture, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and social gatherings while showcasing innovative design. Number 4. Wood and metal combination. Combining wood and metal in pergola design yields a unique aesthetic that balances rustic charm with contemporary flair. Wooden beams provide warmth and texture, while metal accents or supports add a sleek, modern touch. This juxtaposition allows for creative possibilities in design and finishes, making it suitable for various outdoor settings. Hanging lights or planters can further enhance this design, creating a stylish and functional outdoor space. Number 5. Pergola with drapes. A pergola adorned with outdoor drapes offers an elegant solution for added privacy and shade. This design allows you to choose weather-resistant fabrics that can be drawn or closed as needed, creating a cozy, intimate space for relaxation or entertaining. Neutral tones or soft patterns can complement existing decor and enhance the overall aesthetic of your patio. Drapes can also soften the harsh sunlight, making the area more comfortable during hot summer days. Number 6. Floating pergola. The floating pergola design creates an illusion of weightlessness, as it appears to hover above a seating area, supported by thin cables or minimal columns. This innovative structure contributes to an open and airy feel, making it an ideal choice for modern landscapes. A floating pergola can serve as a stylish shelter without overwhelming the space beneath it, allowing for unobstructed views of the surrounding environment while providing a designated area for outdoor activities. Number 7. Integrated outdoor kitchen. An integrated outdoor kitchen within a pergola design takes outdoor entertaining to the next level. This setup combines a pergola with functional features like a built-in grill, countertop, and seating area, making it a hub for social gatherings. The shaded structure protects chefs and diners from the elements, while facilitating an enjoyable cooking and dining experience outdoors. This design not only enhances functionality, but also elevates the overall aesthetic of your backyard or patio. 8. Geometric design. Geometric pergola designs stand out due to their unconventional shapes and angles, which create a striking visual impact. These structures can incorporate a mix of materials and colors, adding to the modern aesthetic. Whether you opt for sharp lines or flowing curves, a geometric pergola can serve as a bold architectural statement in your outdoor space. This design offers flexibility in styling, allowing it to complement various landscapes and home designs. Number 9. Bioclimatic pergola. A bioclimatic pergola is a high-tech solution that features adjustable slats that can open and close based on weather conditions. This innovative design allows you to control the amount of sunlight and shade in your outdoor area, creating a comfortable environment regardless of the season. Whether you want to bask in the sun or seek refuge from intense heat, a bioclimatic pergola adapts to your needs, making it a versatile and functional addition to any patio. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these modern patio pergola design ideas inspiring and helpful for your outdoor space. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also appreciate these designs. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating valuable content. See you next time.